Do you want to make 5x? You want to make 10x? Even maybe 100x? If you like the content, then stay tuned. In today's video, my name is Musti, and I bring you videos about the cryptocurrency market, teaching you how to make money every day. So if you like the content, subscribe to the channel, push that like button, and if you haven't done it, then follow me on Twitter. I give all the updates about Bitcoin, Ethereum, my thoughts, and the trades that I take daily. So without further ado, let's hop into the video. Hello and welcome guys again. If you are new to the video, then a massive welcome. In today's video, I'm going to give you an overview of what is going on in the market. Are we bullish or bearish in the short and midterm? Then I will come out to the alts that can give you 10x on your initial investment. So moving to the cryptocurrency market, right? Of course, we all heard about the news. Joe Biden yesterday announced that the President Biden announced technology export controls ban and sanction against Russia, and of course that pushed a lot of fear in the Russian market, tending people to buy cryptocurrency, and that's what caused the bump. We were hanging around 36,000 plus, give it plus and minus, and we bumped all the way to around $40,000. We made around 15% bump. We had a nice bump on Ethereum too. Solana and Luna have been performing very well, especially Luna. I've been mentioning this a lot. Luna approximately did around 40% return. Alright, that's huge, 40% return. And Luna, one of those coins that has a lot of attention in the crypto market. In my opinion, think that Luna could perform way better than all the top 10 coins in the cryptocurrency market. So now moving on to our first alt to 10x. Alright, our first one is Kadena. Alright, so what is Kadena exactly? I'll take you to the coin market cap to give you an overview first. So Kadena at the moment of recording is standing at the price of $6.40 or 50 cents, let's say, and it has a market cap of only $1 billion. Alright, so the market cap is small compared to the coins, and the fully diluted market cap is around $6 billion, guys. Alright, so if we move on to the chart and look away on the bigger picture of the chart, we can see that November last year, Kadena was around $2, and we bumped all the way to $25, which is around 25x return, guys. Yeah, I know this is insane, people can't believe it, but yes, we did a 25x, and now we're back to the same spot. So let me walk you through their website. So a safe smart contract. So whether you're writing your first contract or your fifth contract, Kadena is going to help you to detect automatically the bugs into your smart contract without the need of using the Ethereum blockchain. So this is something that really people who are working on the NFTs world, who are like making all those smart contracts, are going to give a lot of attention to Kadena. Now when it comes to non-cost transactions, so while we offer a margin transaction fees for consumers, we've gone a step further in introducing the first crypto gas station to allow businesses to eliminate all the transaction fees for their customers. And when it comes to energy efficiency, then Kadena is running at one of the top ones. So as a network demand increases in Kadena's energy uses remains constant, its unique architecture makes it the only platform that can deliver an increased energy efficiency as a TBS. So if you guys don't know what this means that a transaction per second. Alright, when it comes to a proof of security, our founders experience at JP Morgan relevant the limitation of exciting blockchain solution to solve for the security and throughput the demand of financial services on Kadena blockchain. As well, Kadena been collaborating with a lot of huge names out there in the space, such as Luna, Flax, Polkadot, Kilo. They've been collaborating with a lot of huge companies. All right, so this is from the point of view of the website, of how they design everything. Now if we move on to the chart, all right, and I want to give you a technical analysis perspective, because I want you to know what's going on the chart. So from a technical analysis perspective, if we pull up our elite wave and we check, did we actually form the ABCD pattern? Did we actually finish the correction? So we pull, I'm sorry. Okay, so not you, thank you very much. Okay, so we pull up our elite wave all the way from the top. We have A, formed B, and C. So far we've done our correction and we dropped approximately around 80%, 81% approximately, from all the way high, from all the way from $26 all the way down to $6. So approximately $20 we dropped. Now you're gonna ask me, why do you actually think this is bullish? So let me show you this, guys. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we either the possibility of taking profits at $23 is very high. I myself is going to take profit as around $23.60 because this is a very huge resistance. All right. So if we calculate how much we could actually get from it, that's around 3x your money, guys. All right. If you buy at the demand zone right now, that's around 3x your money. So from a technical perspective, are we at the right place to buy? Are we not at the right place to buy? All right. First thing I want to show you is that on Kadena, we made a double bottom on the 4-hour chart and on the daily chart as well. We made this button, we bounced all the way around approximately, I think 100%. Yes, around 100%, and came back all the way down, got a rejection from the bottom. People are still interested to buy it and bounce up. So at the moment, I started accumulating Kadena at this point, and I will accumulate more of my position if we dip all the way to $4, which I don't think we will do, but I'm gonna accumulate even more if we dip. For the moment being, I've already took my position on Kadena, and I'm gonna wait to sell in parts. My first sell, of course, is going to be at the Fibonacci retracement of the golden level, and then I'll take profit at the 38 level, and then the last profit will be at the 23 level, which is at $22. So that's all you want to know about Kadena. Now moving on to our second alt to 10x is actually Ntvrk. I'm sorry if I don't pronounce this right. It's just quite difficult. In the cryptocurrency, you can pronounce it however you want it. So where's this actually? This is a play to earn game. Alright, so Ntvrk premium blockchain gaming ecosystem. So on this ecosystem, actually, this game especially, since it's involved in the metaverse, it has got a lot of attention from the people. Not enough, because if we move on to the coin market cap, right? So in the coin market cap, we go to BYR. And then I'll show you something here, guys. Our market cap is only $224 million, guys. Alright, this is insane. This is insane. Alright, we are still too early to this project. Too early. And the reason why I'm mentioning this project, because this is an opportunity for you to get in on this time. Of course, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not asking you to buy it. Do your own research. I'm just giving you the headlines. Okay. So the fully diluted market cap is 509. The market cap is around $250 only. If we go back to the chart and look at the higher time frame, we were running around $3, guys. All right, $3 region to $4, and we bumped all the way to $50. So this is huge. Okay, this project is huge. The reason why I actually mentioned this project, because they have involved in the metaverse and they're working on a new game. So if you read their roadmap, they're working on a development on the game to launch in the metaverse. All right, and they have already collaborating with a huge companies around the world, such as Nog, Polygon, DeFi 11, a lot of companies. So this is from a fundamental perspective, right? If we move on to the chart, I want to actually show you something right here. All right. So in the mini bull run, let's call it the mini bull run, when Bitcoin actually bounced all the way from 32,000 to around 45,000, right? What we had on BYR is that we had a 160% profit, guys. All right, it dipped all the way down to $6 and bounced to $16. Now we are back to the same zone. Let me draw this for you guys. We are back to the same zone, and I don't think that we are dipping more than this, because from a technical perspective, we have signs, right? Let me remove this for you. So we have signs here, right? We have that people are still interested to buy the token at the same price. So we made a higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, lower high. Of course, that's not so bullish, but we're still seeing that there is tension. There is people who are interested to buy it. Sitting at the current market, since we are bearish, I have already got my position at around 8.50 cents, yeah, $8.50, somewhere around here. And I am willing to scale my trade if we dip more or if we bump more. So if I see that the market is taking off, I'm gonna add more on my position. If I see dipping more, which I don't think is gonna happen, but the worst case scenario is we make another double bottom right here, and then we go all the way up. So this is my perspective about Volgin. So our third alt on the list today is Ntvrk, alright? So let me walk you through their website and tell you what is actually Ntvrk. So it's a project that's working on the metaverse. They already launched their token on CoinGecko, they already launched it on CoinMarketCap, on KuCoin I think as well. I like the design of their website, it's pretty professional, they got their own white paper. If you feel that you're interested to read their white paper, then of course you can just go here and read whatever they said in the white paper. I've already had an idea of what's going on. They've got a pretty cool video to give you an analyzation what's going on. So Ntvrk, let me walk you through the website. So token ecosystem. The Ntvrk token can be used to buy assets within the virtual reality world, which is the metaverse. Asset can include building, vehicle, houses along that will be found in the Ntvrk. Ntvrk. I'm sorry if I pronounced that wrong. Also, just like in the offline world, also a value community in the VR world within the Ntvrk token can be used to purchase landed. So basically, you will be able to buy cars, buy houses, own properties, or even sell properties, in the metaverse using their website. Alright, so they already implemented the staking. They're already giving a high return on staking. They already have their own DEX launching on their website. So you see they already launched on CoinGecko, on DEX Tool, on KuCoin, on Mexi Global. They already presented their ideas of staking, and I think they're all full. I've already staked mine, but you're not late. There is another round that's happening soon, which is round 8. So if you're interested into that, get the token, and then you will be able to stake it later. Now this is from a metaverse perspective, right? I want to move you to this very important step, very important thing. That they already have their own NFT collection, guys. They have got a total of 4 NFTs collection, and I'm gonna take you to one of them and show you what they did. So OpenSea, obviously everybody I guess know, OpenSea is a website where you can buy, launch, or sell your NFTs, right? So this specific NFT, they got a volume trading of 3,500 ETH. They reached the price of around 2 ETH as far as I remember. Let me go to the website. Yes, they reached a price of around 2 ETH, guys. Alright, some of them being sold for 5 ETH, 6 ETH, 4 ETH. Look at here, the sell is going on every minute, 5 hours, 6 hours, 2.4 ETH. They've been maintaining a good floor price. So this is basically you're buying a property in the metaverse. So when the metaverse comes in, when everybody gives this attention, these projects are gonna fly. Are really gonna explode, guys. These projects are gonna explode. Just people don't have enough knowledge about what's going on, and I'm trying to bring this early to you to give you an idea of what could happen in the future. Of course, we've come to an end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and like the content. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. See you in another video.